everyone! Here's the alphabet train. Choo, choo, choo. Alphabet train. Wow, look at all those letters. Oh no, where are all those letters gone? Can you help me to find them? Let's go. There is a kitchen. I see many fruits here, and I see a blender. But where's the letter? How yummy fruit! I see a strawberry. I see a pomegranate. I see kiwi. And here's orange. But where's the letter? Oh wow, I see something. Here's inside in the blender. Let's open and find it. Bravo! Here is the letter A. A is for apple. A. Great job! We found our first letter. Letter A. A is for apple. Let's find the next letter. Letter B. Where is it hiding? There's a road. I see a police car here. I see a bus. But what's that? Who's on the crossing? There's the letter B crossing. Letter B, we found you. B is for ball. B. Wow, I found 3 cakes. It looks like cats. Let's look inside. Maybe we found the letter C here. Let's open the pink cake. Wow, there's a bike here, but there's no letter. Let's open the blue cake and see. Maybe we found the letter here. Wow, I see the donut here, but there's no letter. I see we found it in the yellow cake. Let's open it and see. Wow, we found the letter. Here is the letter C. We found the letter C. C is for cake. C. There's a house. How big house I see. And there's a dog near the house. But who lives in this house? Let's knock. Who's there? Open the door. Wow, we found the letter. Here's the letter D. Letter D lives in this house. Come in, says letter D. Let's come into the house and see. Maybe we found one more letters. Wow, what a big house. Do you see the letter here? Wow, I see one more letter. Here's the letter E hiding. Hello, letter E. Hello. We found 2 letters, letter D and letter E. Let's put it into our puzzle. Here's the letter D. D is for dog. And here's the letter E. E is for elephant. E. Oh no, there's a fire. But where's the fire truck? Here it is. It put out fires. Bravo! Firefighters put out fires. Oh no, there's not a firefighters. But who's that? Let's see. There's the letter F. Letter F put out fires. Hello, letter F. Thank you for your help. F is for fire truck. F. There's a farm. And how many animals lives on this farm? I see a horse. I see a cow and a goat. But what's that? There's the letter. We found the next letter. Here's the letter G. Hello, letter G. But maybe we found one more letter. Do you see it here? Do you see, kids? Where is it? Where is it hiding? Oh wow! Here it is, behind the horse. Here is the letter H. We found 2 letters, letter G and letter H. G is for goat. H is for horse. Wow, what a strange shop! It's a flower shop. Let's see who's the seller in this flower shop. Who sells the flowers here? Wow, we found the letter. Here is the letter I. Hello, letter I. Let's go to our puzzle. I is for igloo. There's a kitchen. I see a sweet hamburger and a pineapple juice and the jam. Oh, there's not jam. There's the letter J inside the jam. Letter J. J is for jam. J. What a beautiful sunny days. Peppa and George flying a kite. But what's that? There's the letter K here too. Letter K is flying a kite with Peppa and George. K is for kite. There's a repair station. Here's the Mr. Lion drives. Hello, Mr. Lion. What do you want? Do you want to repair your car? But who's that? Wow, there's the letter L. I found the letter L. Hello, letter L. Let's go to our puzzle. L is for lion. L. Hello, Mr. Dinosaur. You've got something for us? What you've got in your mouth? Wow, here is the letter M. Thank you, dinosaur. Letter M is for mitten. M. Here is a tiny little nest. But who's inside? I see birds inside and little eggs. But wait a minute. Who's hiding under this nest? Oh, we found the letter. Here's the letter N. Letter N is hiding under the nest. N is for nest. What's that? It's not a pineapple. But what's that? Let's open and see. Wow, I found an octopus. Octopus. But what's that? There's a slime. There is not a pineapple. There is a slime. But what's that? There's the letter here in slime. What's the letter? Do you know what's that? There's the letter O. Letter O inside the slime. O is for octopus. O. Wow, what a nice plate with vegetables. I see yummy potato, and here is a red pepper. There is the orange pumpkin. Wow, what's that? There's the letter P. P is for pumpkin. P. Wow, I find sweet ice creams. But where is the letter? Maybe we found it inside the grape ice cream. Let's open and see. Wow, there is the necklace here, but there is no letter. Let's open the red ice cream and see what's inside. Wow, there is a red car here, but there is no letter. Let's open the orange ice cream and see, maybe we found the letter. Wow, here is the letter Q. Q is for queen. Q. There's a farm. Here comes tractor. What a nice tractor. But what's that? There's the letter R. Hello, letter R. I see something else. One more letter. There's the letter S. Is hiding there. Hello, letter S. We found two letters in our farm, letter R and letter S. Letter R is for rabbit. Letter S is for Socks. There's a shop. How nice shop. But where's the letter? Do you see the letter here? I see one more letter which is hiding. Here's the letter. Here it is. There's the letter T. We found the first letter which is hiding from us. Letter T. Maybe we found one more letters. Let's look very attentive. Where can it be? Where is it hiding? Oh, here it is. The letter. There's the letter U. Letter U is hiding from us here in the shop. But maybe we found one more letter inside the shop. Let's see. How bright shop they are. But where's the letter? Do you see our letters here? Yes, I see it. Here it is. There's the letter V. We found 3 letters here. Letter V, letter T, and the letter U. 3 letters. Great. Let's put it into our puzzle. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for van. Great job! We almost find all our letters. We need to find only 4 letters to finish our puzzle. Let's go! Wow, how many fruits in this puzzle! I see a strawberry, I see apples, I see kiwi, I see a pomegranate. Wow, what's that? There's the letter X. We found you. Hello, letter X. We found the one more letter. Let's find one more. Maybe we found it. Here is a banana. I see a banana. Here is an orange. I see orange. But what a strange fruit. Do you know it? Yes, there is a dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. And there's a watermelon. How sweet watermelon. There are 3 pieces of our watermelon. Wow, what's that? There's the letter W under our watermelon. Great job. We found 2 letters, letter W and letter X. Let's put it into our puzzle. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Wow, what's that? Zebra is playing with yo-yo. We found 2 letters here, the letter Y and the letter Z. Letter Y is for yo-yo and the letter Z is for zebra. Y and Z. Y, Z. Great job! We collect all our letters of our alphabet train from A to Z. Super! Our train is ready to go. Choo, choo, choo. Bye-bye. See you next videos.